Hello guys, I am Fahad and you are watching Fahad VFX YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to edit Instagram stories template. To edit composition, open edit composition folder, then footage folder. Select a composition which you want to edit. I select first one. Double click on composition. Now import your image by clicking on import, then file. Drag the image into the footage 1 timeline. Scale and reposition image if not before. To change the text, go to Edit Composition folder, then Text folder. Change the text by double clicking on the text composition. You can change the color of text and template by double clicking on controller layer. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe Fahad VFX YouTube channel.